Is Monzo free to use? That's a question a lot of people have, and the answer is yes, for the most part, but there are some important things you need to know about fees. Let's break it down. First off, the standard Monzo account is a UK current account, and it is completely free to open and maintain. You get a debit card, instant spending notifications, and a whole host of budgeting features, all without a monthly charge. For everyday banking in the UK, like making payments, setting up direct debits, or withdrawing cash from a UK ATM, there are no fees. It's a genuinely great free service for your day-to-day finances. But where does it get a bit more complicated? Let's talk about cash. While withdrawing cash from a UK ATM is free, there are limits on fee-free cash withdrawals abroad, particularly outside of the European Economic Area, or EEA. On the standard free account, you can withdraw up to £200 every 30 days fee-free outside the EEA. After that, a 3% fee applies. If you're a heavy traveler, this is a key detail. What about cash deposits? Unlike traditional banks with branches, Monzo works with PayPoint. You can deposit cash at any PayPoint location, but it's not unlimited. You get a certain number of free deposits each month, and after that, a small fee of £1 per deposit applies. So, if you're someone who deals with cash a lot, this is something to be mindful of. Now, let's look at the paid-for plans, Monzo Extra, Perks, and Max. These plans offer additional features like connected bank accounts, virtual cards, travel insurance, and more, for a monthly fee. These paid plans also increase your fee-free cash withdrawal limits abroad, making them a better option if you're a frequent traveler. For example, Monzo Max boosts your fee-free withdrawal limit outside the EEA to £600 every 30 days. So, is Monzo free? Yes, its core account and everyday features are. But like any bank, there are specific charges for certain services, particularly if you exceed limits on cash withdrawals or deposits, or if you opt for one of their premium plans. It's all about understanding what you need from your bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.